Alright, hello, welcome to this weather update. It's about 7:30 on May 22nd, 2019. And yeah, we didn't really have a repeat of yesterday as far as night skies go. We had a lot of, before the cirrus rolled in, we had a lot of smoke around actually. And I just want to show you this earlier satellite loop. So I just want to show you why the sky's been looking kind of hazy today. And we're looking at this satellite loop for most of the day. Yes, we have the cirrus coming in now, but you can see the smoke here. Uh, yes, there's smoke, and there is see all that smoke there. That's coming from fires that we're going to look at next. So yeah, we had a lot of smoke around, and kind of made the sky hazy, especially as we went later on into the later morning and noon hours, and then this cirrus rolled, and you could see the smoke again on this one as well. And where is the smoke coming from, you may ask? Well, we have big fires going on, so let's go ahead and look at that right now. So, big fires going on. It looks like in Alaska somewhere. You can see on the MODIS, you can also see the smoke. Let's see if we can, yeah, you can really see it in that frame right there. Yeah, see how that's some, I'll show you where all the smoke has come from. So, again, the smoke, here it is. So where does it come from, you may ask? Well, we're going to have to go back to yesterday to find out. So yesterday, we were fairly clear, over Long Island, with cirrus stayed away from us. But if you go and you take a look up here, this is smoke up here. This is smoke from wildfires up here. And the smoke is actually coming from, it looks like, no, that's ice. The smoke is actually coming from wildfires all the way in, looks like Alaska or the Northwest Territories. So there's a lot of smoke right over in this area. So there must be some really big wildfires going on right now in this area. And if we actually add this, let me add a layer here, and it looks like it's showing a couple of fires over here. So there have been some fires over here, or in this area right here, that are big wildfires again. This is the thing now. We have wildfires that are burning in the boreal forest in the Arctic because it's warmer than it's supposed to be. It looks like there's a lot of fires over here too. See all these red dots. Those are fires also. Though they could be thermal anomalies. Some of these might be thermal anomalies. But these are definitely wildfires. There's one right here, one right here, one right here. And these look pretty big. So let me go into earthnullschool.net so we can actually take another look at this as well. We're going to actually take a look at this. Let's see where the smoke is. So actually we can go to air and we can go to particles, and I think if we go to this one here, show up smoke, pretty decent. Yep. Yeah, there's the smoke. So if we go here, you can see the smoke. Here's the here are these wildfires. There's also wildfires in Mexico too that are bringing up a little smoke too, but the smoke that we had to deal with in the wasn't at the surface, it was up higher. It was coming from this area right here. It looks like the Northwest Territories of Canada over here in this area. And if we go and we look at temperature anomalies, let's take a look at temperature anomaly. Oh, it doesn't really do air temperature anomaly, this one. But we can see that it's quite warm over there. It looks like 24 Celsius, 75. Yeah, it's very warm for that part of the Northwest Territories. Very warm. So it's warmer, and it's warmer and drier than normal, and that's why you have all these fires, because again, we're experiencing climate change, and this is part of it. It's a warm season starting in May. We get smoke in the atmosphere from wildfires. This is going to be a thing that we're going to be dealing with more and more due to climate change. I'm going to just see if we can actually Google Northwest Territories and see if we have, let's see, if there's any news about this. I don't see any news about this at all. Alright, let's see, wildfires. Alright, this must be it. This one right here. I don't want to click on the link because, yeah, it's actually, well, it's Alberta, massive wildfire forces evacuation of 5,000 people. Let's see where this is at. This is McKenzie County. I don't know where that is. So again, details, they don't really, like I said, there's not really a lot of coverage on this, and the details they provide are not great. But you can see where the fires are. Uh, and you know, what can I tell you? It's a very sparsely populated area over there, so that's why we're seeing this big fires that are going on over there, not being reported very well once again by the mainstream media. Actually, very poorly. Um, I could put Wildfire Canada. Let's see, because it just doesn't seem to be anything here. It's all old stories. All right, let's see. Alberta. Actually, this is Alberta. So this is not Northwest Territory. So this is in Alberta, I guess. So that's where these wildfires are, in Alberta, Canada. So if we go back to this, let's go back to the MODIS for a minute. I know I'm spending a lot of time on it, but this is again something we're going to see a lot of. So let me get place labels up here, and we'll go to yesterday where you can see the fires a little better. So all right, this is, doesn't say what province this is. I should know the provinces of Canada. I'm really sorry that I don't. It's not. Yeah, this is Alberta. So there's wildfires here. You can see big ones here. So this is Alberta over here. Yeah, high levels. So actually, is the name of a town. But then if you go over here, you can see that there's more fires in the Northwest Territories as well, which is over here. And again, this is all due to climate change. We're seeing more and more of this. So even when we get air from Canada, what's going to happen is we get the smoke, and that's what's going on right now. So you get these wildfires and the smoke. This is yesterday's MODIS. We'll put it to today's, and you can see, look, you can still see some more smoke there. See if I can get these. Yeah, there you go. You can still see some more smoke. Look at that. This is going to be something we're going to be dealing with for a while now. So let's go to the models. Let's actually go back to the CONUS view and look. Let's not even go beyond. Let's go beyond the CONUS view, and let's take a look at the North America view, which is over here. Where is it? Here it is. All right. So let's go to the North America view. Let's see if there's going to be any rainfall in this area. So I'm going to just change this to total accumulated precip. So let's see if there's any rain coming for them. It looks like there will be some rain, but will it be enough? And most of it's not even falling over here. And I think this is where the fires are. So looks like kind of a dry pattern for them, which is not good. Alright, let's get to our area. We'll look at the weather and we'll see what we're going to be dealing with as far as our weather goes. So I'll start off with the clouds. And again, this does not pick up the smoke, but we can look at the clouds and see that we're going to have a lot of clouds around tomorrow, obviously. And then Friday, maybe we can clear it out. But again, this doesn't show the smoke. We may have smoke around from those fires. They're thousands of miles away, but this is what we're dealing with in the new climate. And Saturday looks to be pretty sunny, but again, we could have some smoke around. And then for Monday, also looks to be sunny. So it looks like a pretty decent weekend. We'll go ahead and look at the temperatures. And tomorrow, yeah, it warms up a little bit. Not too much because it's going to be a lot of cloud cover and showers around. Low 70s Friday. Saturday warms up a little bit, mid 70s. Sunday is the heat starts coming. So when we start dealing with the heat on Sunday, especially in Jersey where it'll be well into the 80s, close to 90. Hopefully Long Island will stay in the 70s, and for Monday and Memorial Day, just a little bit cooler, but still kind of warm, with temperatures 75 to 80 degrees. So we'll look at the dew points, and you will see, looks like dry on Monday. I know we're backtracking here, but the humidity comes in on Sunday. So Sunday looks like that's going to be the brutal day. Saturday and Friday we have low dew points. So alright, that looks pretty decent. So now let's go over to shift gears to look at the NAM model and see what's the deal, what we're going to be dealing with tomorrow, because there's a chance of possible severe weather. So let's go and look at that tomorrow and see what we have. So we have a cold front moving through tomorrow. So what's going to happen, or we're going to see an increase in humidity, and we're also seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Looks like some forming in the early afternoon, maybe east end, and then the actual line forming. It's not really a line. I think it's going to be scattered, just like the last one. So it's hit or miss, but what could form could be severe, especially where it's warmer in New Jersey. So I'll have to keep my eye on that. There's a likelihood of some strong thunderstorms in our area. Most of the worst severe threats are off to the west in Pennsylvania, but we'll have to keep our eye on it. So wrapping it up at the Ventu sky, I'll just show you the temperatures right now. Still in the 70s. Looks like there is a sea breeze on the south shore, but not here. We still have northwest winds here when I was outside, so we still have northwest winds, but maybe we'll start seeing a sea breeze develop. But I don't think there was one earlier. Let's see, 4 o'clock. Yeah, there really wasn't one earlier, just right along the immediate shore. So we got into the 70s today, a little warmer than yesterday. But again, looks like as far as heat goes, Sunday is going to be the worst day for that. Anyway, that does wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.